Hey guys, Olga Sobi here and welcome to a new acrylic pouring video. Today I am in the mood for something bright and floral, so I am gonna do the traveling open cup technique on a color split base. For the color split, I want to go for white and green color, and for the colors that are gonna go inside of the open cup, I want to use some bright red and gold and few other shades. I will include all the color names and other supplies that I'm using in the description under this video, so please check it out. And all of my colors, the base layer colors and the open cup colors, are mixed the same way to the same consistency with just Floetrol and water. Today I am working on 10 by 10 cradled wood panel that I have previously pre-primed with gesso. And yeah, with that being said, let's get straight to the process. I am using a cookie cutter as my open cup, and I want to travel it on a border between white and the green color. So here's the consistency of my paint, and all of my colors are mixed to the same consistency. And as you can see, it's pretty fluid, but not as fluid as for Dutch pour, I would say just before that. And this green is a mix of emerald phthalo green and sap green. I'm just using my palette knife to move this paint around and create an even and thin base layer. Alright, let's add those colors in the open cup. So the first one I'm adding is red violet, and next one is gold, and I will include everything in the description as well. Over the gold I add my crimson red, it's a very bright color, and some more white. This one here is primary magenta. And I want to do one more round of this red violet here and the gold. As always, adding a bit more paint around the cup really helps it flow more easily. I really like this white line here, so I want to extend it all the way. So next I'm gonna stretch those colors and cells. It also helps to level out the paint. I think those colors work super awesome together. I really like it. Very contrasting and very balanced at the same time. So next, I want to blow out the design to give it more wispy and more floral look. I want to bring some red down here, but need to be very careful when working with red over the green because it's easy to get some mud, and I don't mind if they overmix a little bit, just not too much. Bring some green over here. Okay, looking great. Just one more little touch here. Okay, I think I'm all done here. The painting turned out to be super cool. I think it's very expressive, bright, and cheerful. What do you think? Let me know, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.